Paulie Magana, Apoc-TV. He's a very special, unique racer that's been out in the circuit lately. His identity is very quiet kept. A lot of people don't know about him. Actually, they do know about him. They don't know who he is. We're going to try to catch up to him. His name is Robert Acer. And that is just mad, crazy truck right there. It's been in the wind tunnel for aerodynamics. It's been in the, they were going to launch it to space, but it didn't have that much horsepower, but they can race the damn thing. But anyway, so we're going to go try to find Robert and see what that's all about. Afternoon, Paulie Magana with Apoc-TV. I'm here with Robert Acer. Robert, how you doing, man? Good. Thank you for coming down to provide a race. Big old race we got going on this weekend.
I appreciate it for having the invite from Roger and Richard Industries. I think it's a great race.
Yeah, it's going to be an awesome race. We got a lot of good racers coming out. So, Robert, obviously it's hot out here, and I know that this is an awesome helmet made by your studio here.
Yeah, it's a very a lot of meditation.
A lot of meditation. This is an awesome helmet. And so tell me about it. Who made this helmet? Is that a special, unique thing that you're
It's a very unique helmet. I never show my identity. No one knows who I am in the industry. There's a lot of speculations of who I am, who's under the helmet, what other racing comes from, road course.
Road course.
So it's just a very unique thing. Built a very unique truck.
I'll tell you, that's an awesome looking helmet. And behind him is an awesome looking truck. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
The truck is, there's two of them that are identical. I have both of them. It's a mid-engine, very central wind tunnel. Generally the dyno machine is more electronics on this than I would say probably one of your top Lamborghini cars or things like that.
So I think it's pushing probably 850 plus horsepower.
Yeah, we're a little over that. And it's a 3-gear transmission, so technically we can go from 0 to 70 in first gear. Second gear can bog down to probably 25 miles an hour up to 120. And then the third gear is
0 to 70 in first gear. Pretty damn fast. Pretty awesome stuff.
Yeah, so it gets up in
it goes. It goes well. You know, I wish you a lot of luck this weekend. Thank you for your time.
Hey, I appreciate that. Are you going to be at the jump?
I will be there tonight.
Well, hopefully everyone comes out and joins us at the jump. I think that's going to be the best thing, especially here in Imperial Valley. I think it's a great foundation for more races to come.
Yeah, this is like, you know, there isn't much difference between us and Mexico. So when you're talking about Baja racing, you're talking about the Imperial Valley, because really the reality is we're about 15 miles from the Mexican border. Mexicali, Imperial Valley, it's all the same stuff, same sand, same stuff. It feels nice in December. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Anyways, so thanks for watching Apoc-TV. Have a good night.
Thanks. Thanks, man.